The Skeleton Key by Kelly Hashway. Page 1. Eric rang his grandparents' doorbell and silently wished the next 4 hours would go by quickly. He didn't want to give up his entire Saturday afternoon at his grandparents' house where there were no kids in the neighborhood. "You're right on time," Grandma Bethany said, opening the door. "There's tea and cake in the dining room." Cake? At least the first 10 minutes would go by quickly. Eric hung his coat on the rack by the door and saw a strange-looking key hanging on a hook. "Grandpa Bill, what's this funny key for?" "That's a skeleton key. It opens the best room in this house," Grandpa Bill whispered so no one else could hear. "It's the room I go to when your grandmother tries to make me help with the dishes." "What's so special about the room?" Eric asked. "It's a game room," Grandpa Bill said. "Take the key and see if you can find the room by the time I finish my tea." Eric grabbed the key and started at it. A skeleton key. It looks old. Eric decided the oldest things in the house were probably upstairs in the walk-up attic. He headed past the dining room and to the stairs.